Just wanna see the light.
Hello and welcome back again. This is the final video of this section, and in this video we are going to create a random password and provide a hints to the player to guess the password. Unity provides us a function random.range to calculate the random number between two values, so we will use it to calculate the random password. Unity also provides us anagram properties to make the text random. So let's jump over to Visual Studio and write this code. Now we will not write directly 1. We will generate the random number here by writing random.range zero level 1 password dot length. Here level 1 password dot length will calculate the total values inside the array. We will also do same for the level 2 password and level 3 password. Now we will provide hints to the player while the game level is start by adding anagram text. Password dot anagram. We will also give player hints to return back to the main menu while player win the game. Try again for wrong password. Let's save the code and jump over to Unity. Hit on play icon and check what gonna happen. When I press 1 and hit enter, then look, it provides a hint. For me it is easy to solve because I have defined this password and it is old ink. Type menu to return back to main menu. Now you can test your game by selecting different level and entering a password. Well done everyone. Now we have covered lots of fundamental knowledge on coding, and from our next section we will start building a game in 3D space. If you have any difficulties, then you can comment below so that it is easy for me to answer. Now I will meet you in the next lecture.